Hello everyone. In our last video, first video, we have solved the two sums of practice set 1.1. आता आपण third sum solve करणार आहे. Here we can see that there are the two equations, 2x minus 3y equal to 9 and 2x plus y equal to 13. So solution, as I have told you that first of all we have to write both the equations and give the numbering to both the equations. 2x minus 3y equal to 9, this is equation number 1. 2x plus y equal to 13, this is equation number 2. Okay, now as I told you, first of all you have to observe the equations, both the equations. We have to see whether the coefficients of the variable x or y, whether they are same or not. As we can see here that the x, that is 2x is same in both the equations. Okay, so we have to subtract now. Subtracting equation 1 and 2. So 2x minus 3y equal to 9 and 2x plus y equal to 13. Now we have to subtract. As I told you, जेव्हा आपण सबस्ट्रॅक्ट करतो तेव्हा मायनस साइन दिल्यानंतर आपण लगेच बाकीच्या साइन्स पण आपण चेंज करून घ्यायचे आहेत, कारण बऱ्याच वेळेला काय होतं, गडबडीत आपल्याला साइन चेंज करायची राहते आणि आहे तसंच मग आपण करत जातो. सो ॲज सून ॲज वी गिव्ह द सबस्ट्रॅक्शन साइन वी हॅव टू चेंज द साइन. प्लस असेल तर मायनस आणि मायनस असलं तर प्लस करायचं. आपल्याला इकडे दिसते दोन्ही बाजूला प्लस साइन आहे, साइन नसते म्हणजे प्लस साइन असते. सो वी हॅव टू give the minus sign, we have to change the sign. Now 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. Minus 3y minus y. Okay, so here minus 3y minus y. As all of you know, minus minus plus, so 3 plus 1 is 4y. Okay, now here the greater number is 3y. So the sign to the greater number is minus आणि म्हणून आपल्या आन्सरला पण काय होणार आहे, मायनस साइन येणार आहे. That is equal to 9 minus 13. So 13 minus 9 is 4. Greater number is 13. To 13 there is a minus sign. So here our answer will be minus 4. Therefore y is equal to minus 4 upon minus 4. Minus minus sign will get cancelled and we will get y equal to 1. Now what we have to do? Place y equal to 1 in equation 2. See y in equation 2, I am substituting the y equal to 1 in equation 2 because we can see here that in equation 1 there is a minus sign. If there is a minus sign, it creates a confusion for us also because again we have to change the sign. So instead of that we will go towards the equation number 2. So I will write here equation number 2 is 2x plus y equal to 13. Okay, so now the value of y is 1. Therefore 2x plus 1 is equal to 13. Therefore 2x equal to 13 plus 1 will move towards 13 आणि तो काय होणार, प्लस 1 चा मायनस 1 होणार आहे. Therefore 2x is equal to 13 minus किती होतात, 12. Therefore 2x is equal to x is equal to 12 upon 2. Therefore x equal to 2, how many are 12? 2 6 are. So x equal to 6. So this is the value of x. So here our solution, that is x comma y is equal to 6 comma 1. Okay, now we'll move towards the sixth sum. We have solved first, second and third sum of practice set 1.1. Fourth and fifth sum is simple. Now here I have written number sixth sum because we have solved first, second and third sum of practice set 1.1. Fourth and fifth sum is similar to the third one. So you just try to solve fourth and fifth sum also. If there is any problem you can comment me. So now we'll move towards the next problem, that is the number sixth one. Okay, now we'll just give numbers to the given equations. 1 upon 3x plus y equal to 10 upon 3. Now this is our equation number 1. Okay, now you can see this equation is totally different from the first, second and the third. इथे आपल्याला ह्या इक्वेशन मध्ये काय दिसतंय की there is a denominator 3. Okay, so first step we have to do, that is we have to remove the denominator. डिनॉमिनेटर जो आहे तो काढून टाकायचा आहे. डिनॉमिनेटर म्हणजे कुठलाही कसाही प्रॉब्लेम असो, डिनॉमिनेटर काढताना एकच लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे की जो नंबर असेल डिनॉमिनेटरला तो आपण सरळ मल्टिप्लाय करायचा आहे. सो मल्टिप्लाइंग both the sides by 3. Multiplying both the sides by 3. Okay, so after multiplying what we get, 1 upon 3x into 3 plus y into 3, that is equal to 10 upon 3 into 3. Okay, so each term we have to multiply it by 3. After multiplying what we get, हे जे आहे 3 3 ते कॅन्सल होतील. न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनॉमिनेटरचा जो आहे 3 तो कॅन्सल होईल आणि कॅन्सल झाल्यानंतर we will get 1 into x, that is the x, plus 3 into y, that is 3y, equal to 10. So this is our equation number 3. Okay, now we'll move towards the equation number 2, that is 2x plus 1 upon 4y equal to 11 upon 4. This is our equation number 2. Okay, same thing we have to do here, that is multiplying 4 to both the sides. Multiplying 4 to both the sides. ॲक्च्युली तुम्हाला ह्या स्टेपची खरं गरज नाही आहे, तुम्ही डायरेक्ट ही स्टेप लिहिली तरी पण चालेल, पण आता तुम्हाला यू शुड अंडरस्टँड, फॉर दॅट पर्पज आय एम रायटिंग दिस स्टेप. सो 2x मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 4 प्लस 1 अपॉन 4y into 4 equal to 11 upon 4 into 4. Okay, so after multiplying this 4 will get cancelled and we will get the equation, that is 2x plus y is equal to 11 ones are 11. So after multiplying 4s are 8, so 8x plus y equal to 11. So this is equation number 4. Okay, so now you observe equation number 3 and 4. See, this is our equation number 3 and this is our equation number 4. Okay, now in this what you have to do, as usual you have to observe both the equations properly. You have to same either x or y. Okay, so if you decide that you have to make y same, then you have to multiply equation 4 by 3. So we'll continue here, multiplying equation 4 by 3. So after multiplying what we get, 3 8s are 24x plus 3y equal to 11 3s are 33. So this is our equation number 5 and equation number 3 is x plus 3y equal to 10. This is our equation number 3. Now we have to subtract both the equations because you can see here both the equations have the positive signs. So we will subtract both these equations, equation number 3 and 5. After subtracting, as all of you know, while subtracting we have to change the sign. मायनस करताना बाकी सगळ्या टर्म्सचे साइन्स आपण चेंज करून घ्यायचे आहेत. सो 24x minus x, we will get 23x, 3y minus 3y will get cancelled, 33 minus 10 is 23. Therefore x equal to 23 upon 23, so x equal to 1. This will be the value of x. Now place x equal to 1 in equation either 3 or 4. So we will place it in the equation number 3. Equation number 3 is x plus 3y equal to 10. Okay, now here the value of x is 1. So in place of x we will write 1. 1 plus 3y equal to 10. Now number will go towards the number. Number हा number कडे जाणार आहे. So 1 will go towards 10 and it will become -1. So 3y equal to 10 minus 1, 3y equal to 9. Therefore y equal to 9 upon 3. So 9 divided by 3, you will get y equal to 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now here what is the solution? X comma y, that is equal to, what is the value of x we have got? That is the 1. So 1 comma 3. This will be your solution. Okay. Now we will move towards the 7th sum. 7th sum, that is the 99x plus solution. First of all we will write and give the numbers to the equation. 99x plus 101y equal to 499 and 101x plus 99y equal to 501. Okay. Now these are our two equations. We will give the number to the equations, that is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay. Now as I told you in our first video also, I have told you one thing, that is इक्वेशन्स आपल्या समोर आले की आधी इक्वेशन्सला आपण ऑब्झर्व करायचं आहे. सो यू कॅन सी दिस इक्वेशन्स, इट इज टोटली डिफरंट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट 6 इक्वेशन्स or 6 sums. Now see here what is there, 99x plus 10y, and in the second equation it is 101x plus 99y. So it is interchange. In first equation 99x, second equation 99y. In first equation there is 101y, in second equation there is 101x. Okay. So when such type of equations are asked in the exam, so first of all what we have to do, we have to add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. Okay. So we will add both the equations. 99x plus 101y equal to 499 and 101x plus 99y equal to 501. So we will add this both the equations and we'll see now what we get after adding. This is equation 1 and 2. After adding now 101 plus 99, you will get 200x plus 101 plus 99y, you will get 200y and 499 plus 501, that is 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 again 10, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 1 10. So it is 1000. Now what you have to do in such a situation, you have to divide whole equation by 200. आता जेव्हा अशा टाइपचे इक्वेशन्स येतात तेव्हा नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे की जे तुम्हाला x आणि y येणार, जो काही नंबर येणार त्या नंबरने नेहमी इकडच्या नंबरला डिव्हिजन जाणार आहे. सो यू हॅव टू डिवाइड 1000 बाय 200. सो डिवाइड द इक्वेशन अबव इक्वेशन बाय 200. Divide above equation by 200. Okay. So after dividing what we get? We will get x plus y equal to, now 1000 divided by 200, you will get the answer, that is the 5, and we will number this equation as equation number 3. Okay. Equation number 3. Now what we have to do, we got the third equation. Now we have to find out the fourth equation, and for that purpose त्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करायला लागेल, इक्वेशन 1 and 2 जे आपण ऍड केले होते सेम इक्वेशन्स आपण काय करायचे, सबस्ट्रॅक्ट करायचे. आता सबस्ट्रॅक्टिंग इक्वेशन 1 and 2. ओके. आता सबस्ट्रॅक्ट करायचे. 99x plus 101y equal to 499 आणि 101x plus 99y equal to 501. ओके. आता काय करायचं आपल्याला, दोन्ही इक्वेशन we have to subtract. Minus, change the sign. If there is a minus, make it plus. Okay. And if there is a plus, make it minus. Okay. Now we have to subtract. Now see, 99 minus 101, it is 2x. 101 minus 99 जर केलं तर आपल्याला काय येणार आहे, 2x. Here greater number is 101, so it is a minus sign, so minus 2x. Here same thing, here it will be plus 2y बिकॉज हिअर 101 इज ग्रेटर, 101 ला प्लस साईन आहे. ग्रेटर नंबरला जी साईन असते तीच साईन आपल्याला आपण आन्सरला द्यायची. सो +2y. आणि इकडे काय होणार आहे 501 मायनस 499 इट विल बी 2. ग्रेटर नंबर 501 त्याला मायनस साईन आहे म्हणून आपल्या आन्सरला पण काय येणार आहे मायनस साईन येणार आहे. आता आपण काय करणार आहे डिवायडिंग सेम स्टेप आपण रिपीट करायची आहे. डिवायडिंग अबव इक्वेशन बाय 2. ओके, डिवाइड केल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय येणार आहे डिवाइड केल्यानंतर -x + y = -1. ओके, अबव इक्वेशनला आपण काय केलं आहे 2 ने डिवाइड करून घेतलं आहे आणि डिवाइड केल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय आलं आहे -x + y = -1. हा झाला इक्वेशन नंबर 4. ओके, आता इक्वेशन नंबर 3 आणि इक्वेशन नंबर 4 आपण सॉल्व करायचं आहे अँड वी हॅव टू फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x अँड y. ओके, सो नाव यू कॅन सी हिअर दॅट हिअर इट इज x अँड हिअर इट इज -x. जर 3 आणि 4 हे दोन इक्वेशन्स जर आपण ॲड केले तर x हे काय होतील कॅन्सल होतील आणि म्हणून आपण इथे काय करणार आहेत आता ॲडिंग इक्वेशन्स 3 and 4. ओके, आता थर्ड इक्वेशन आहे x + y = 5 आणि फोर्थ इक्वेशन काय आहे -x + y = -1. हे काय करायचे आपल्याला हे ॲड करायचे ॲडिशन करायचे. ओके, आता x आणि -x हे काय होईल x आणि -x कॅन्सल होणार आहे. y + y is 2y आणि 5 - 1 काय येईल 5 - 1 = 4. Therefore y is equal to 4/2. Divide 4 by 2, so you will get the answer, that is the y = 2. Now what we have to do, we have to place y = 2 in equation number 3. Place y = 2 in equation 3. Okay, we'll place y = 2 in equation 3 because in equation 4 you can see there is a minus sign also towards the both the sides. So it will be better if you will substitute the value of y in equation number 3. So equation number 3 is x + y = 5. Therefore x plus y is value of y is 2 = 5. Therefore x = 5 - 2. So x = 3. So in this way you will get the value of x, that is x = 3. So our solution, that is x, y is equal to 3, 2. Okay, this is our 7th sum. Now 8th sum is also same, just like 7th one. 8th sum is similar to the 7th. So you can use the same method and try to solve the problem number 8. If you have any problem or any doubt, you are unable to get the answer, comment it. I'll clear your doubts. So like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.